Hello everyone. WordPress sites frequently need to send out emails to their users. This is where xCloud comes in with its reliable email solution for your site. First, log into your xCloud dashboard. Navigate to My Profile. Then select Integrations and finally add a new email provider. Here, choose a plan and give a label so that you can identify the SMTP provider in xCloud later. Now, just click on the Buy and Add Email Provider to proceed with this plan. You can send a test email from here to your recipients. This is how easily you can manage email with the xCloud domain. To set up, first navigate to all sites from the xCloud dashboard and select your site to integrate with the xCloud email service. Afterward, from the Email Provider tab, select the email plan that you want for your site. Here, you can see you will get 100 free emails per month. And the good news is you can buy more anytime. We are choosing the 8,000 per month email package for now. You can use the xCloud domain or your own domain to set up an email service. First, give a name and an email address from where you will send the email. Now, add a domain and set up the DNS. Here, you need to configure importing information from xCloud to your domain provider. Now, switch over to the Namecheap dashboard. Select the Manage option of your domain and go to the Advanced DNS. Create a new TXT record here and copy the value from xCloud dashboard and paste it here. Then, create another new CNAME record and similarly copy the values from xCloud and paste into your domain provider dashboard. Likewise, you should create the rest of the records and paste the values similarly, one after another, as you can see in the video. Finally, click on the Verify record to successfully verify them from your xCloud dashboard. Now, hit on Save Changes and you're all set. Till now, we have shown the process to set up the DNS from other domain providers. But with xCloud, you can manage the email service much easier than ever. Just choose the plans and you're good to go. Remember, you can always check your email balance and manage settings directly from your xCloud dashboard. And there you have it. Let's test it with Fluent SMTP. Just go to the settings and look for the Fluent SMTP option. Give a sender's and receiver's mail and press on the Send Test email. You can see the mail has been sent successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.